Hi, welcome to Sunrise Languages. Thank you for practicing your English with us. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, it's time to practice some shadowing. Read with me. My name is Emma, and today I have a new neighbor. I live in a small apartment near the park. It's a quiet place, and I really like it. This morning, I hear a sound in the hallway. Someone is moving boxes and furniture. I open my door and see a woman with short brown hair. She smiles at me. Hi, she says. I'm Olivia. I just moved here. I smile back and say, Welcome. I'm Emma. She laughs and says, Nice to meet you, Emma. She looks a little tired, so I ask, Do you need help with the boxes? Olivia nods and says, That would be great. We carry two big boxes together. They are full of books. Wow, you read a lot, I say. Yes, she answers. I love reading before bed. After a few trips, all the boxes are inside her apartment. Her cat walks between our legs. He is orange and very friendly. What's his name? I ask. His name is Leo, she says. He's very curious. Leo jumps on the couch and looks at me. I laugh and say, Hi, Leo. The cat meows loudly. Olivia laughs too. She says, Would you like some coffee? I say, Sure, thank you. We sit in the kitchen with two small cups. The coffee smells good. We talk about many things: our work, our families, and our favorite movies. We discover we both love the same series. We laugh a lot. Outside, the sun is shining. The sound of the park comes through the window. Children are playing and birds are singing. It's a beautiful afternoon. After a while, I say, I should go now. Olivia smiles and says, Thank you for your help today. You're welcome, I say. Let's have lunch together soon. When I walk back to my apartment, I feel happy. Having a new friend next door feels nice. Maybe tomorrow I'll bring her some cookies. Yes, that's a good idea. Thank you for reading with me. Keep practicing every day with Sunrise Languages. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English shadowing lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.